Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into MoneyGram account. Firstly, to do so, you have to go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then, on the search box, search for www.moneygram.com and press enter. This will take you to their website. Before starting off, you have to make sure you have an account at MoneyGram. If you do, you may proceed. First, you will have to choose your region. Once you choose your region, you will have to choose your country or territory. Then you will have to choose your language. Once you fill these details, you may click on the submit button. As the page reloads, here you will have to log into your account. As I said before, you will have to make sure you have an account. If you don't, you may click on the sign up button beside the login button. However, if you do have an account, you may click on the login button on the left side of the sign up button. Once you do that, you will have to fill in your login credentials, which are your email address in the first text tab and then your password in the second. Then you may click on the box below to make sure MoneyGram remembers your email address. In any case, if you forget your password, you may click on the Forgot Password link right below the login button. Once you've filled in all of your details correctly, then you may click on the login button in red. MoneyGram then asks you where you want to receive your security code. You may choose your SMS or your email. Here, I'm choosing my email for now. Then you may click on the Send Code button. Once you do so, then you will have to open your mail in the next tab. Once you open your mail, then you will have to click on the MoneyGram email that was recently sent. Here, you can see your security code that is sent. 41021 is my security code. I will be typing that here in the text tab, 41021. Then click on the submit button. Once you do so, you will have successfully logged into your MoneyGram account. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.